everybody. We have a new incoming vehicle. This is a 2019 Tacoma Extra Cab with front end collision damage. We'll start on the passenger front and then work our way around. So you definitely need a front bumper cover, you need the grille complete, you need the hood, you need the right headlight, you need the right fender. Damage to the right front door needs to be repaired and blended over here. Windshield is okay. Right rear door looks good. Right rear bedside needs some repair. You need to replace the tailgate and the rear bumper. See the frame rail in the back. That's just an extension, that piece on bolts there. Doesn't look too bad. Frame rail looks good. Left rear bedside is good. Left rear door is okay. Left front door is okay. And the left front fender is okay. Left headlight is okay. Let's take a look inside under the hood. Alright, so apron on that side looks good. Air cleaner box, engine, everything is sitting in place. The unit does run in lot drive. Apron on this side is good. No damage to the front of the motor. The radiator and condenser looks good. The upper radiator support is damaged. Oh, headlight tab is broken there. Sorry about that. Fans look good. Frame rails on both sides look good. It's hard to tell from the video cameras, but I don't see any signs of frame damage. You can see here also, no signs of frame damage. And on this side, just the upper radiator support. Let's take a look inside. Both doors. Nice extra cab. I don't know if you can fit anybody back here, but you can put some suitcases or tools or whatever else you can fit back there. No airbags deployed. A really nice vehicle with 12,000 miles. Super nice. Let's take a look at the roof. No buckles in the roof. We'll post on the website soon. Thanks for watching.